Let's continue with the view of the MVVM. And in this video, I'll add the data binding variables of the layouts. So inside the contact list item, I'll add a new variable here of type contacts that we created, and this is the model class or the entity class of our database. So I'll start with the data, and remember, you need to place it under the layout element and before any other layout. The data here, I'll start with a variable, and the name would be contact, and the type master coding. This is the package, and select the contacts class. Now I need to refer the contact and get the contact name and email from this variable. So for that, I'll scroll down to here, and instead of using name, I'll add syntax of data binding, and here I'll set contact.name. The same way, I'll scroll down at contact.email. It's very simple, guys, and we talked about it in details in the data binding section. We finished this layout. Let's move to the main activity layout, and I'll add a click event and handle the click events on this fab, this floating action button. For that, I'll create here data, and I'll start with a variable. The name would be click handler, and the type would be a new class that I will create here. Create a new Java class. I'll name it as main activity click handlers. When using data bindings and you have many classes, you can name main activity. This is referring for the main activity, and the click handlers. This class will act as a click handler for the main activity. So all the clicks on the main activity user interface will be captured and handled here. I'll start with a context. I need to pass the context from the main activity, and I'll create a constructor having the context, and I'll create a new method called onFab. I need to pass a view. Don't miss to pass the view object in the data binding in order to handle all the click events on the view. And here I'll start with the intent I equal to new intent, and I'll set main activity dot this or get application context, and add new contact activity dot class and context dot start activity. I'll pass the intent I. Let's create this activity. Project, new activity, empty views activity, and I'll name it as add new contact activity. Finish, and this is our new activity. Then move back to the activity underscore main.xml, and here I need to specify the type com.mastercoding, and here I'll specify main activity click handlers. Scroll down to the fab on click and select this method, and click handlers at click handler dot onFab click. And we talked about this operator that refers to the methods in the data bind.